This is the presentation of Group 20, Test Report of Open Meetings. We have 6 parts. The first part is introduction, and the second part is how we carried the testing, and the third part is the problems we faced, and then is the findings and what we learned, and the last one is suggestions. Let me introduce the introduction of our project. And first, I will introduce the software Openmeeting. Openmeeting is an open source online meeting and collaboration platform dedicated to provide high quality, secure extensibility, and easy to use remote collaboration solutions. The project includes video conferencing, audio conferencing, screen sharing, real-time chat, and other functions to meet the needs of users in remote work and collaborations. In the testing process, we focused on ensuring that the function of each module is normal, the performance is stable, and pay attention to security and user experience. During testing, we focused on key modules such as video conferencing and screen sharing, whiteboard functions, and through in-depth testing, we aim to ensure that the system can operate stably under various conditions, providing an excellent remote collaboration experience. And the project goal is comprehensive testing of software function, performance, stability, and security, purpose problem fixing, and system optimization suggestions. And the project content is extract key test cases, verify that system functions meet user requirements, building compatibility and performance test environments, conduct function, performance, stability, and security test. And we also finish the test report. We summarize the test results, write test reports, and provide optimization suggestions. And the next part is how we carried the project.
Now I'm going to talk about how we carry the project. First is about structure approach. Initially, we developed an exhaustive test plan for the Open Meeting software, ensuring we had a solid foundation for our testing activities. Second is multi-phase test design. It incorporates both by manual methods and modern techniques. We execute manual and automated tests for both functional and non-functional requirements, ensuring coverage of aspects such as performance, security, and compatibility. Smoke testing was pivotal in ascertaining core functionalities post each build. To ensure usability, we put the software through rigorous and user condition simulations. The third part is the peer review process for test cases. It is a crucial aspect of our quality assurance efforts, involved rigorous peer reviews and iterations that hone our test cases to precision. This included detailed walkthroughs, inspection by test lead, and interactive revisions, culminating in a final approval that assured us of the integrity of our test cases. And the fourth part is defect management process. And our defect management process was robust, capturing and tracking issues effectively and allowing for priority fixes by our development team. This closed-loop process ensures that we not only fix issues but learn from them to improve subsequent iterations. The fifth part is efficient teamwork. We had efficient teamwork with each member contributing to testing, compatibility, and analysis and quality improvement. Based on the time and abilities of different team members, our tasks are allocated very reasonably. This synergy was crucial in navigating the complexity of the software and ensuring its stability and reliability. And the last part is tools utilization. We utilize tools such as Jira for defect management and JUnit, along with SOAP UI for automated testing, which facilitate our process and enable us to maintain high standards.
First, let me talk about the problems faced during project work. In our project work, we face a lot of challenges. First, when installing Apache Openmeetings on Ubuntu, we encounter difficulties in copying the terminal commands directly from the Openmeetings tutorial installation PDF, which often results in missing spaces. These issues require a lot of attention to ensure the accuracy of command execution. Also, during the upgrade on my macOS computer, we run into issues with the port configuration. This technical obstacles requires great attention to detail and ensure smooth installation and testing across different operation systems. We address these issues are very important to our success of our project. Okay, and then let me talk about what are the findings of our project. We found that the Apache Openmeetings performed well in terms of functionality, performance, stability, and the security tests. However, there are still some challenges. The functional tests reveal some minor issues in the user interface design and navigation. Performance tests show that OpenMeeting slows down under high user load, which indicates the need for optimization. The stress test was not very successful, and our single service performance test of login occasionally failed when the user logged in with too many existing threads. Security testing confirmed high protection against common threats, but recommended further enhancement, and we found that the open meetings could leak the database internal information to hackers. Overall, the open meetings is effective, but it still needs for improvement about the interface performance under heavy load, such as improving the CPU with more cores and the security of the database.
I'd like to take you through the key learnings we've gathered from each of our tests, shedding light on the valuable insights that have shaped our testing approach. First, the importance of detailed testing cannot be overstated. Comprehensive test plans, which covering both functional and non-functional tests, were crucial. And tools like JUnit and SUBUI were really useful for specific tasks, showing how special software help us test things well. And then team collaboration is essential for success. Smooth role distribution transitioning from manual to automated testing highlights the importance of effective teamwork and clear communication. Continuous learning and improvement were recurring themes. Ongoing evaluation suggested enhancement like performance testing and user interface optimization to elevate our testing processes. Embracing advanced technology has played a key role. Leveraging tools such as JUnit demonstrate how modern solutions enhance testing efficiency and accuracy. Next page. Effective tech management is another crucial aspect. In utilizing Jira to track and manage defects ensure that issues are resolved in a timely and efficient manner. It illustrates the importance of robust defect tracking system to maintain project integrity. And in the realm of risk management, we learned early risk identification and mitigation were crucial. This foresight helped us navigate unexpected challenges and ensure project resilience. Moreover, the incorporation of feedback loops and quality assurance played a crucial role in refining our testing processes. And lastly, our professional growth and expertise development were significantly influenced by each project. Okay, that's all.
Let's talk about the suggestions to perform quality assurance in software engineering. After testing the various features of Openmeetings, we propose a series of improvement suggestions to enhance the overall performance and user experience of the system. Firstly, in terms of user experience, it is recommended to automate the user authentication and login process to ensure consistency and quick response of operations, thereby improving the user's login and registration experience. Secondly, in terms of room management, we believe that the intuitive creation of rooms can be improved. The information modification process can be simplified, and more flexible management options can be added to enhance the user's sense of control over the room. Furthermore, upgrading the communication function is another key area for improvement. It is recommended to redesign the chat interface to improve usability and strengthen the private messaging function to ensure that users can easily invite other users to join the meeting. Finally, in terms of file and whiteboard functionality, we suggest expanding the file upload function to support more formats and size of documents, while enhancing the whiteboard editing function to better meet users' need for multimedia sharing. These improvements will help improve the availability and user satisfaction of Openmeetings. We have these eight functions to improve. For example, user experience optimization. We have some problems that user authentication and login may be affected by some inconsistencies and delays. We also have some suggestions. Optimize the authentication process to ensure that users can log in to the system quickly and consistently. Improve interface feedback and enhance user experience. Enhanced rule management. They also have some problems that there may be some limitations and user-unfriendly issues with room creation and management functions.
We can improve the intuitiveness of creating rooms and simplify the information modification process. Add more flexible management options, such as changing room types and increasing participant restrictions. About communication function upgrade. Chat, private message, and meeting invitations may require more intuitive and efficient design. We can redesign the chat interface to make it easier to use and understand. Shorten the private message function to ensure that Join can easily invite other users to join the meeting. Fourth, improvement of file and whiteboard functions. File uploading and whiteboard editing may be limited by format and size, so we can expand the file upload function to support more formats and functionalities of whiteboard editing to ensure smooth document editing and graphic drawing for users. About system stability and performance. In some cases, the system may experience crashes or performance degradation. We could conduct system stability and performance testing, optimize the code to improve the overall response speed and stability of system, resolve potential crash issue. Thanks for watching.